Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are from the Labuhan Subdiscrete Salary Data Group and would like to present the result of our work, namely the result of coding on Google Colab. Whose members are Lintang Kecono and my friend Iratri Rahmawati. Below is an explanation of what we will discuss. Next, it will be ready by my colleagues. You are welcome, Iratri Rahmawati.
1. In data. In data analysis and data grouping using the K-means algorithm, the following is an explanation of part of the code, namely 1. Import Nomi as an import pandas as PD import the pandas library and gives it an alias SPD. Pandas is used or tabular data manipulation and analysis. And 2. Import from Sclaren cluster import K-means. Next, 1. I run Google Colab import the drive module from the Google Colab page. The is module provides the vacation necessary to manage to communication between Google Colab and Google Drive. Let's add the specified. The data is the stored and pandas data frame namely DF. DF hit. This line display the first few rows of the DF data frame using the hit method. This is a quick way to check the structure and content of data that has been loaded. After running this list of code, the data from the Excel will be loaded into a pandas data frame and the result will be displayed and output below. The words or data will appear and correct might be related to be expectation to the result will be correct and the data will print correctly. However, if there are problems or error in the process of reading the file, or if the Excel file format is not suitable. 3. May be an error message or warning that needs attention. Make sure and the Excel file spec matches and that the file is in the correct collection. If 3 and problem, check the error or warning message produced by the read Excel function. If everything goes smoothly, the result will be a display of the first few rows and the data frame, and you will be able to see the initial structure of the data that's been loaded. Next. Next. 1. The columns. The columns is attribute and pandas data frame. This gives access the index object which contains the column names of the data frame. 2. Index population name, nick, age, working class, education, job status, salary, address, facilities, dependence, deity object. This is the result of the columns attribute which display an index containing the names of the data frame columns. Each column identified by the data entered. And 3. Print column data frame. And column. And column is display the index result, namely the names of the data frame columns, so you can the structure of the columns in data. By running is code, you can see and list of column names in your data frame. Adjust to do columns names and the structure in the data frame. Next, cleansing data atau menghapus karakter selain angka dan teks. 1. The if egg space str replace reaches true. The is line checks the column 8 becomes a string data type and then removes all characters other than numbers and later using the str replace method with a Boolean expression. And 2, kelas pekerja, df kelas pekerja tipe str regular true is same above. The is thus the same for the worker class column. And 3, the checks the column education because a string and the type and removes character order, type number, letter, and space. And 4, same as before, the is line clear the job status column. The entry and finally is line display the first few rows of the data frame. After data cleaning process, you can view the result and ensure that the data has been cleaned according to the species rules. Next. Data div, DP, an object called the DF, which may be a data frame, data table in the Python programming environment is using libraries such as pandas. Then the data object is intelligent with the values from the def object. In other words, the data is now a reference or copy of the data frame def object. Next, data. Data does provide complete context without looking at the class code. However, if we look at its spread space of code data and we use a variable to store and replace data use and data frame in the context of data or press enter her. Variable in the context that is not clear from the next. Saya lanjutkan ke Lintang Kencono.
Python code that maps certain category values in several data columns to certain numeric values. It is often assessed in data pre-processing to convert category data into a form that can be assessed in analysis or modeling. Number 1, working class atau kelas pekerja. Create a dictionary mapping dict that maps working class category values exclams PNS entrepreneur to numeric values. The worker class column in the data frame data is transformed by mapping the category values as in the dictionary. Number 2, education. Created a dictionary mapping dicts that map educational category values, example SMA D3 to numeric values. The education The education column in the data frame data is transformed by mapping the category values as in the dictionary. Number 3, job status. Created a dictionary mapping dict that maps job status category values. Example, teacher, midwife to numeric values. The job status column in the data frame data is transformed by mapping the category values as in the dictionary. Number 4, salary. Created a dictionary mapping dict to map salary language example to numeric values. The salary column in the data frame data is changed by mapping the salary rank using the dictionary. Number 5, facilities. Created a dictionary mapping disks that maps facility types. Example, motorbike care to numeric values. Define the map facilitas function that will be applied to the facilitas column. This function calculates a numeric value for each row by mapping the facility category values consisting of several facilities types separate by commas. Dependence created dictionary mapping did that map dependent type. Child parent to numeric values. Define the map depends function which will be applied to the depends column. This function calculates a numeric value for each row by mapping the dependent category values consisting of multi-tab dependent types paired by commas. By carrying out this mapping, categorical data in several columns is converted into a numeric representation that can be assessed in analysis or machine learning models. Number 1, data frame DF streets label. This data frame is created by taking the population street nama column from the data frame. The population name column is considered a label or target to be used in specific text such as classification or regression. By creating this data frame, we create a DF street level label variable which contains the label or target of data. Number 2, data frame DF streets attribute. This data frame is created by taking certain column for the data frame. Column received include X, work class, education, job status, salary, facilities, and dependents. These columns are considered as attributes or factors that will be assessed as in input the analysis or modeling process. By creating this data frame, we create a DF street attribute variable which contains the attributes or factors that will be assessed to understand or model relationship in the data. By dividing the data into the F street label and the F street attribute, we can more easily focus on analysis or modeling related to this label and attribute separately. Next, the DF street attribute data frame is created by selection certain column from the data frame to be assessed as attribute or feature in analysis or modeling. Below are the data attributes in the DF street attribute data frame, namely number 1, X, number 2, working class, number 3, education, number 4, job status, number 5, salary, number 6, facilities, number 7, dependence. By asking the DF street attribute data frame, we can perform analysis or broad models based on this attribute to understand or predict relationship in the data, as column in information about the individuals in the dataset, and we can ask the information for various data analysis purpose. Next, this output actually also the parameters and configuration of the Keymes model that has been created include the number of clustering and street clustering and two and the reproducibility of the result. Next, the result labels are an array showing the clustering assigned to each data point in dataset. In this explain the values in the array, represent the cluster assigned by the Keymes model. Example Exampulation for several elements in the label array. Index. The first label are an array showing the cluster assigned to X data point in the dataset. In this example, the values in the array represent the cluster assignment by the Keymass model. Example explaining for several elements in the label array. Index. The first data point is assigned to cluster index 1. The second data point is assigned to cluster index 2. The third data point is assigned to cluster 0. It provides information about the cluster assignment to X analysis point, which can be accessed further or for specific purpose depending on the context of the task or case study being carried out. Next, Keyman hysteria measure the integrity of a direct Keyman's model. Inerty is a measure of how far a data point in cluster is from the cluster center in the context of Keyman's. Interior is calculated as the sum the sequence of the distance of each data point to its nearest candidate. In your case, the exact value 17414399926519. This figure gives an idea of how far the data point in the clustering are from the center. The smaller the the integer value, the better, because this indicates that the data point in cluster tend to be close to their center of mass. Next, keymass and state liter. State is an attribute that gives the number of iteration recruitment by the keymass algorithm to achieve convergence when training the model. Keymeans and strip it iter and strip is. This means that the Keymeans algorithm recruits iterators to active convergence on the data asset to train the model. The number of iterators recorded may vary depending on the data, initial conduit, intelligence, and other parameters as in the algorithm. That's all I can explain about the presentation of Labuhan Village Salary data using the Keyman's clustering method. Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.